Starting with the stocks that are buzzing in trade today. First up, we'll start with some of the stocks that have been buzzing on the back of their Q1FY21 performance. Now, Bajaj Finance is one of the stocks which has rallied around 4 to 5% in trade on the back of its Q1FY21 performance, where the company said that the AUM under moratorium has reduced compared to April in the month of June. So in the month of April, the company's AUM under moratorium was 27%, while as on the month of June, it was only 15.5%. So a considerable reduction is what we are seeing in the AUM under moratorium. Also, now the company's deposit book is up by 33% for the quarter at around 20,000 crores, while the AUM was up by around 7% and stood at around 1,38,000 crores on a year-on-year basis. Talking about Bandhan Bank, another stock rallying on the back of its Q1FY21 performance update. Here the company said that subsequent to the unlock one, that's post 1st June 2020, the micro booking loan book of theirs, ventricle of theirs, has seen a considerable improvement and showing positive traction since the unlock one. Also, there has been a steady improvement in their collection efficiency, is what the company is saying during the month of June. So that is showing some positive signs of revival in the month of June as we are seeing unlocking. Now, talking about the quarter, we are seeing that yes, they have seen an improvement even in the loan and advances book, and it's up by around 18% and stood at 74,300, while the CASA ratio has also seen an improvement and stood at 37.1% versus 36.8% on a sequential basis. Talking about Shriram Transport, now here the board has approved the right issue of around 1,500 crore rupees, and this is at an issue price of 570 per share. Now, this price at which they're issuing it as at a significant discount compared to the traded price. It's at around 10 to 20% discount if you go to see. So that's a significant discount, and that is why we're seeing the stock also rally. Also, Morgan Stanley in its note has mentioned that they are overweight on the stock as well, and post the right issue of the company, so they are maintaining their overweight stance on the company. So we are seeing a nice rally in the stock as well. Talking about lastly, we have Tata Consumer Product Limited. Now they held their they held their AGM, which is the first AGM since the merger of Tata Chemicals consumer business as well as the Tata Global Beverages business. So in this, N. Chandrasekhan said that the company may be facing hurdles in the short term due to the workers going back to their hometown, plus retail chains are not operational completely. There were some supply chain issues, transportation issues. These could be some issues that they could continue to face in the short term, but in the long term, the company is very positive about their growth. They will be focusing on the distribution. They will be focusing on new products as well. They will continue to see what are the changes that they are seeing by the consumers. They will focus on, adapting to these changes as well. And, changing with changing times, they are also going to focus on the core FMCG business is what they are saying as of now, since consumers are focusing on that. And, surely they are expecting a good growth going forward once things settle as well. So, seeing this also, we are seeing a positive move in Tata Consumers, and that's why the stock is buzzing in trade.